it's interesting that the inverted actually came in the first impulse in this one. Normally it's often in the second, but you did have a kind of grindy structure here as well. It just popped out the top before it peed off the roof. And that's your 3, and it was really ready to go, you know. It showed some zip, so there's something coming, and it's actually held up relatively well. So for me, I would anticipate as Bitcoin progresses, that one goes back up. So ADA. Yep, that was our jump share recording from, and its date and times, 16th of March. That beat today, 21st year after the year 2000 at 12:16. 12:16, that's quarter past the midday on, wait for it, UTC +2 time. So that was the recording. This is ADA now. And as you can see, that falling wedge has indeed popped. We were suspecting the potential strength out of it. This was very zealous, as I'd suggested in that jump share. And as you will probably not know, because who wants to learn? Who wants to do trading courses? It's not a trading course. It's learning trading on the job. You actually get gifts at certain places. Yes, indeed. Fractals that squeeze, especially when you're expecting a key major event to occur. You know to watch for it, and then you've got a much better chance of catching it. And even if you're a tad late and hadn't set your alerts, but you'd spotted the first little probe out of our capping descending grind line, which is a subsector of a falling wedge that you can also learn about in our trading material. Even if you'd only came afterwards, for example, if I show you on a smaller time frame, you might have take you right into the 1 minute chart. How many people go 1 minute chart? That's not an invitation or a suggestion you should be trading the 1 minute chart. It just shows you that on a capping descending grind line of significance, it's quite feasible to get a fractalized structure, which could have still given you an opportunity of getting in had you missed the initial move here. I get accused a lot of having too long a video, so I'm going to keep that one short. This is the money you didn't make today because learning to trade is too expensive. Hope that's useful. Links are below if you want to find out more about trading with HVF method. ADA is going to probably have quite a positive news flow. What was that news flow before I sign off? That was the other thing I was going to show you. Over here, as you can see, and it's amazing how technicals support fundamentals. It's not one or the other. Coinbase just announced a listing of Cardano, so obviously a clear thing. The Coinbase listing itself, its IPO on the stock exchange, will be one of the biggest and highest value initial listing. It's deemed the gateway to the crypto realm, and getting your token listed on Coinbase is the equivalent of winning the lottery to many, because it suddenly makes you one of the potential offerings over there. So again, as I say, that's what you missed from this morning. And as I say, for people that say, I don't want a course, it's not a course. It's about learning to trade. It's about getting the news before the news that the technical charts, and only the technical charts, will give you, because most heads up you get will be from wishful thinking and rampers. But every now and then you can get that DNA of a future move coming, and you could have positioned strongly here. Links are below. I'll catch you next time. Hope you enjoyed a short video, 3 minutes and under 45 seconds. Bang.